Hello everybody, welcome to Pop's Kitchen. Like I said before, we're doing straight military cooking. Like I said in the past, if you didn't see the first one, we're doing cooking from recipes that you might have a father, a mother, a brother, a sister, an aunt, an uncle, or a good friend in the military. Just to find out that they are eating good, I'm doing nothing but military cooking, okay? And what I want to say before, and I always keep forgetting in my last videos, I gathered these little items here, okay? These things are free. When you get something like from the chicken place or something like that, you get these items here. These are good refrigerator savers for leftovers. You don't have to buy them. They're all free. So these are very good, okay? Now what I'm going to make tonight, we're going to make some treats that you're going to love, your kids going to love, your friends going to love, your mom and dad's going to love. It's going to be Rice Krispie marshmallow treats tonight, okay? It's going to be fast, it's going to be quick, it's going to be good. You're going to love it, okay? Let's go. All right, Facebook land, YouTube land, we are Instagram land. Right here's the stuff I'm going to be using. Simple store-bought stuff. We got big jumbo marshmallows. See here? Big marshmallows. It don't take much. You can also use the mini marshmallows. You have to use a few more, but I recommend using the large marshmallows because you only need about 40. And we're going to start with some Rice Krispies. Any size box of Rice Krispies, okay? But make sure it's the large box because you'll need about 6 cups. And 1 block of butter. But you're not going to use the whole block, so I'm going to read the recipe to you. You only need like 3 tablespoons, okay? Now, over here, I'm going to get my items that I need to cook with. So, this way, por favor. What I'm going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of butter. It calls for 3 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you're going by the Army recipe, it's going to cause for about 6 pounds of butter. But we're not doing the Army recipe. We're going by the Army recipe. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter. I blocked it down about 3 tablespoons, about right there, okay? We're going to put this in the pan to melt. After that has melted, I'm going to mix in about 40 or so of these marshmallows, and we're going to mix it all up. After that's done, you'll see what's going to happen in a minute. Okay, now while the butter is melting, remember when you're doing this, put the butter on low heat. You want it on low. While the butter is melting, we're going to use about, I'd say, about maybe 6 cups. This is my Army recipe card here. We're going to use about 6 cups. It calls for about 4 pounds, but I'm only going to use 6 cups, okay? And then we're going to add this later. We got to do our marshmallows first. We're going to add our marshmallows to the melted butter. I figure maybe about 40 marshmallows or so. It's easier if you get the big one. We're just gonna go boom, boom. Remember, keep this on low heat. We'll put about 40. These are the jumbo large, so we can probably put maybe 25 of these in. 22, 23. So right now, as you can see, the marshmallows have melted. So I'm taking it off the heat. I don't want no more heat, okay? Now we're gonna add the Rice Krispies. But since I did get the extra large jumbo marshmallows instead of, your regular marshmallows, I'm gonna add maybe 8 cups of Rice Krispies instead of 6. I had to change my blue bowl to the bigger bowl here, okay? But remember, you got to oil it down. Because once you put your Rice Krispies in there and your marshmallows, marshmallows are very sticky. So you have to oil this down. So I'm going to oil it down with some olive oil, okay? We're just going to oil it down real good. And that way, once it's cooled, we can cut it up and place it on a plate that I have special, okay? And trust me. So now I'm going to add my Rice Krispies, all right? Here we go. I've got a 2-cup measuring cup. So I'm going to add 2 cups to start off. There's 2 cups. Now this will be 4 cups. Here we go. 4 cups. Remember, This snack is so easy to make. So easy. Sometimes you can even mix these Rice Krispies and add some chocolate chips. Look at that. This is gonna be so delicious. So delicious. You'll see. Now let me add another 2 cups. Okay, right now is 6 cups. Gonna add 6 cups here. All right. See, right now I'm using a plastic like spoon. The marshmallows, when they start thickening up, the marshmallow crispy on the plastic little spatula here, the plastic spatula just starts bending. So I had to get my wooden like spatula here to make it go nice and easy, okay? Alright, so here we go. The marshmallow mix and Rice Krispies treats is ready. What you want to do is get your little spatula or spoon. You want to oil it down, okay? The reason for this is because when it comes time to take the Rice Krispies from the pan to your platter so it can sit, it's very hard because the Rice Krispie and marshmallows is super sticky. It's going to be hard to get out. So here we go. Look at that. Now it's so easy. Okay, here we go. We're gonna flatten this out now. We're gonna let it cool, because right now it's still a little bit warm. We're gonna let it cool. See how easy it's moving around? Because we oiled our bowl. So it's gonna be easy to cut and place on your platter so it's not sticking. This is gonna be so good. Everyone in your family is gonna love them. Good treats, good treats. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And like I said, while you're mixing it in your pan, you can add chocolate chips. You could get your Rice Krispies plain, and you can get Rice Krispies like Cocoa Puffs. But you can add whatever you want. This is just what I'm gonna show you how to cut it in just 2 and 2. Alright, now we are all finished with the cooking process, the heating process, the putting it in the pan. Right now we're going to slice it. I'm going to slice it up. I'm going to place it here. We're going to go right here. If you make this at home for your family, you can make this as fast as, let's say, 30 minutes. And you will have the best little Rice Krispie treats ever. I bet once you make it once, you'll make it again and again. Now I'm cutting it this way. This is so perfect. Now watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that, how good that is. Well, as you can see, with this, what I have left here on the plate, I need a bigger platter, okay? Because I made more than I figured for that one little plate. I really don't want to put them on top of each other because they might stick, and then like you got them in the house the next day. When you go to pull one off to eat it, they might stick together. I prefer just to get a bigger plate. All right, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram friends. These are my boys, Sean and Ronnie, my mentors. They do my camera, my editing. Without them, I'll be nothing. I'm still learning. I'm still learning at this. As you see, this is my 6th video. I've done 5 before, and they are helping me immensely. But tonight, I've had several people of my fans asked for some special treats. So I looked through my little card of recipes over there. I say, hey, Rice Krispie treats. It's so simple. You can make it within 30 minutes. Your kids will love it. Your family will love it. It takes about 30 minutes to make. Okay, now, my taste testers. So here we go for the taste.
So you know, the one I'm gonna take is gonna be this whole plate, and I'm gonna take it to over there, and I'm gonna go play some Fortnite, eat some of this stuff. You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna do me like that. Full
Alright.
presentation, beautiful.
Smells good. I can smell it from here. Like I can literally smell it from way back over here.
Bam.
Oh, there you go. Look how gooey, look how gummy that is.
Boom.
Now that's what you talk about good. See,
Sean got a
Sean's
better piece.
Sean's taking too much. Sean, slow down. Don't take so much.
Hey,
Save Ronnie something.
I got a blood sugar I'm trying to hold on to.
All right.
Alright.
It's not even hard. It's nice and chewy.
Really soft.
You go and buy this at the grocery store, you might ship a tooth. You make it
know?
at home, it's gonna be good. I guarantee you're
Way
gonna love
more
it.
soft. This is really soft.
Okay, everybody, please. In the meantime, give us a break or give me a break. Do a like, subscribe, a comment, a share, especially a subscribe. Please subscribe, and I'll just keep throwing these videos out week after week after week. I love you all, and this is all military stuff from Sean, Ronnie, and myself. I want to salute and say, y'all come back now. You hear?
Stay up all night.